Have the boats that work in here, okay, the boats that work in here normally need to have the blue flag. The blue flag wants to say that you have the course and you have authorized for come to look in the dolphin. For example, the Odyssey have the Odyssey. The speedboat that we looking before, okay, which one have, from our company also have. But not everyone have. Not everyone. We try that everyone have the course, but finally some captains respect, the others not. What is not possible is swimming with the dolphins. This is not possible. We live in many boats here. I don't like it. When it's many, I don't like. 2 boats, 3, like a hunting. It's why I don't like it. Why I don't like it. I prefer to live in. We saw it. Very good. We saw it near. We saw it near, but right now it's time for living. Y aquí ya nos despedimos. Muchas gracias a todos por vernos. Gracias. Chao, Mickey Mouse.